everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I'm doing the midnight clean. Let's get this bathroom, both of my bathrooms, whipped into shape. First of all, I'm going to start by picking up the rugs and throwing them in the laundry. Okay, now let's clean out the medicine cabinet. First of all, I'm going to get any expired items out of the medicine cabinet. Then I'm going to get a lot of partially empty containers out of here and combine them. I know my husband loves to open containers of Band-Aids, use half of them, and move on to the next box. So we're going to do a lot of that. Anything that's outdated, expired, no good, we're going to get rid of it. That's what I'm going to do next. And I'll show you what I got out of this medicine cabinet. I got 2 full things out of the medicine cabinet. Since I'm also working on trying to redecorate my bathroom, I got a new soap pump. And it's a little different from the one that I'm used to. So we will go over how to make our new, it's foaming soap. I've never had foaming soap. So let's go over how you mix up the foaming soap so it doesn't clog the dispenser. This and add a cup of soap. To a cup of water. I'm going to wait till the bubbles goes down, and I'll probably have enough to add some more because my bubbles is getting too high. I'm going to let the bubbles go down, and while that happens, I am going to sweep and mop the floor, the mirror, and I love these microfiber towels because I love to clean the mirror and not get streaks with these microfiber towels. While I'm at it, I just wipe off the rest of the cabinet. And then I move on to using my special wipes that I made for my surfaces in my bathroom so that the color in these countertops don't fade. I did a video on this, and it wasn't very viewed, but these things are the best, and I use them all the time. So I'll link that video to the description. And it's also antibacterial, and it also kills the germs. It doesn't have as many harsh ingredients. Gotta get the toothpaste up. When you're cleaning the counters, there's one place that's always the most forgot about. And that's this lip right here. It should be called the dust collector, because it collects all the dust. And then you can just toss it. Okay, while you're at it, grab your Lysol and spray your door handle and your light switch, which is the most touched thing in this bathroom. And then now I will dust. Yes, you have to dust your bathroom. I know a lot of people forget this step, but you gotta dust the bathroom. Okay, let's dust where people forget to dust. This is one of my favorite tools. It gets places and you don't have to climb on the ladder. Up here, only tall people can see it, I know. But it collects a lot of dust up there. And same way with right here on your light fixture. Okay, and there's one more place that I always dust because I always get cobwebs. I shouldn't tell. But in Ohio, out in the boonies where I'm from, we get cobwebs in one place in the bathroom that is disgusting. See this corner right here by the toilet? I always seem to get, it always seems to collect cobwebs. They start growing normally either from the top or the bottom and find their way all the way up there until I have a tree of cobwebs if I don't pay attention. And my husband, who's taller than me, I'll say, "Honey, why didn't you see that?" Yeah, he never sees it. And another thing, this edge here, it always gets really dusty. So I'm going to wipe that down. And another place that always gets dusty is this windowsill. And of course, this tub was put in our house because we just wanted one of these. Oh, we just had to have it. And we have never used it since we put it in. So I normally dust it out a little bit because it's the unused tub in the house. Nobody uses it. So I try to at least dust it out since nobody's ever used it since well, I think one person's used it since we bought the house, but we have never used it. So I just dust it out. Okay, I'm gonna use Lysol Clean, and I like the cherry blossom scent because I love the smell of it. And I'm going to use my spin mop, which I love my spin mop. didn't know this, I have, in most of my home, I have linoleum. Wood grain linoleum that looks like wood in most of the house. So this spin mop has been a lifesaver when you have to mop 90% of your home. And yes, I'm barefoot. I'm always I never wear shoes in my house. My next mission, and this is my guest bathroom. And yes, that's still a Christmas shower curtain. We're gonna change the Christmas out. Yes, I love it, and it's really cute. But it's time to say goodbye to the Christmas shower curtain and put up our everyday curtain. And add a new towel for the guest bathroom. Yes, my bathroom's decor is Yorkies on any other time of the year. But during Christmas, the Dash Hounds takes over the shower curtain. Okay, now it's time to take down the Christmas red truck because Santa's already came, and go to what I'm going to decorate my bathroom. Our master bathroom is all clean and looking better and back to normal. Yes, that's Bandit. And he's running this extra bathroom. He's the boss. From the towel holder to the toilet paper holder to all the Yorkie rules signs to the shower curtain. And I even added a Valentine's Day towel that says, "You had me at Wolf." Yep. So it's clean and back to the normal decor in my extra bathroom. The master bath is all clean, rugs and all, new fresh towels, and my shower curtain is back up. The new one that I just got, and you'll see the redecorating of this bathroom in a future video. But there's a sneak peek at what it's gonna be.